wicked addiction, but it's not bad. Don't look down on us, and don't be sad. We like to hunt in the spring and hunt in the fall. We hunt with our family and we would hunt with y'all. It's a wicked addiction. We hunt on the water, we hunt in the snow. We have a good time wherever we go. We hunt with a bow, we hunt with a gun. We never go when we don't have fun. It's a wicked addiction, yeah. Wicked addiction, that's our name. We don't hunt for the glory, we don't hunt for the fame. We hunt because of what's inside. It's a wicked addiction that we don't hide. Yeah, it's a wicked addiction. Turkeys, deer, duck. We like to hunt, we don't depend on luck. We prepare, we look, we search and scout. Get our prey and there ain't no doubt. It's a wicked addiction. It's a wicked addiction.
Guys, I'm out here getting my blind up. Turkey season's over here in Kentucky, and but I'm also working on my videos for Kentucky season. And this is video here that you're going to watch is from my third set here, and it's a morning hunt. I'm down there back in my redneck blind that you've been seeing me in the morning, and I have a pretty good morning. I have a strutter out, but I'm kind of between a rock and a hard place, as you'll see in the video. And some of you turkey hunters, when you watch this, you tell me what I could have done different, maybe, in the comment section. And then in the afternoon hunt, I actually come out later in the day and put up a blind, and I'm on the other side of the field, just chasing these birds around, trying to get where I can get a shot at one of them. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the video. I appreciate y'all watching and sharing. And like I always want to say, I know I say it a lot, but y'all are the reason that I make them. And anyway, stay tuned for the video, and I'll have you some more coming up a little bit later on too. So hope you enjoy. First bird of the morning, y'all. Tree line though. It's going to be this bad, I would have stayed in bed. I ain't gonna waste no footage on that stupid bird. I want something with a beard. Got another bird coming, y'all. Still don't see no beard. There's another one. Still no beard. Jinx, Joe. At least I'm seeing stuff, so that's all that matters. That's 3 so far this morning. I got 4 birds coming right there, y'all. Looks like they're all hens. But I got a strutter back over here behind me. See if I can get y'all on. See if I can get y'all on him. Can't tell what he is exactly, other than he's a strutter. He's in a bad spot. He's down there strutting, y'all. Ain't no way I'm gonna pull him up here with all those hens, even though I got 4 hens up here. All right, y'all. A little update here. I'm kind of in a predicament. It's kind of a good one, and it's kind of a bad one. I got these 4 hens right here, straight out in front of me. And down on the other end where I can show you. I can't video them right now because they're in behind some stuff and it blurs, but there's 6 more hens and a strutter. But they're all way down to the left of the field on the other end. I kind of wanted to get down and get my thunder chicken right there and see if I could sneak down there and challenge him, fan him in, or at least get close enough to shoot. I don't know with my bad knees if I could do that or not, but I really was also worried that if I could try to get down and spook these birds, that they'll make a ruckus and end up scaring them off anyway. So I'm kind of just gonna play wait and see, and hopefully they all see these birds down here and come down here to congregate. If not, maybe I can try them again later. I just don't want to booger them up. Like I said, I'm new at this. I'm trying to be patient, but it kind of sucks when you're not really sure what you should try to do either. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Wish me luck. Why couldn't that be a strutter, y'all? I'm just a chick magnet. Can't get it to focus, y'all, but you can kind of see where my strutter's at. With all those hens down there. He's way down there. And I can't get down because I got 4 hens right in front of me. So, I'm between a rock and a hard place. All right, guys, I'm back out here at what I always call my redneck blind spot, but today I'm in actually a Rhino 180 blind. Me and my son come out yesterday and set this thing up, and we set it on the opposite side of the field, tucked in between 2 dead trees that had fallen down in the field. And the reason I done that is because I'll show you in a minute. My redneck blind is kind of up on the hill, you know, and it's where I was setting my decoys was basically just right on the edge of the field, but there's 20 yards, like kind of a little slope that goes up to my blind, little hill like. And the birds were out in the main flat part of the field, and they were getting on the edge of the field and skirting me, and they were hugging this tree line. So I decided to move it over here. I got my decoys 20 yards out there. I went away from the thunder chicken with the fan, and I just got a Jake decoy and 2 hens. So I don't know if that'll work any better or not, but I'm gonna give it a try. I already seen 2 hens. They were way down yonder. And I think they saw me trying to get to my blind, but maybe they'll come down this way again a little later and bring something with them, maybe. But they've been coming from that way, so hopefully I'm okay. But we'll see. Like I said, I'm new to all this. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. I'm just doing it. So, may not see nothing today, I don't know. But it's a good calm afternoon. The wind ain't howling like it was the other morning. I was going to go this morning. I planned on it and everything, and then I had some stuff come up where I couldn't go this morning, so I decided to come back this afternoon. But I'll pan around here in just a second, show you what I'm looking at from this side of the field, and let's see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Here's my decoys out there. Got them set up. And as you can see, there's my blind way over there. And I was putting my decoys right there on the edge of that little flat spot. But I'm way over here now, in between these old trees. And I can see a good long ways. I can see all that down through there. Down that way. It's going to blur with the... I'll have to be careful when if I have to film that direction, so the blind don't make it blur. But anyway, that's what I'm looking at. Hopefully I'll have some real birds come in besides those decoys. I'd like to see one come in, strut and flog it and all that good stuff like you see on TV. But we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. I'm going to do a little blind calling. Give me a little chalk on here. Don't y'all laugh at me. I'm going to see if I can wake something up. Good at that, but maybe something I hear and come investigate. See if it's another turkey choking to death or something. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, just checking in with you. I've had 2 birds. There's one down there right now, way down there on the other side of the ditch. But they've both been hens, and they ain't. When they come out, they were going the opposite direction. Haven't had anything come from that way yet. I had one I thought was going to come this way, and for some reason it ducked in the woods and I lost sight of it. I don't know where it was headed, but I ain't seen no strutters or anything. And I've only seen 2 hens so far. So, it's getting about time. I ought to be seeing a little more movement, hopefully. I was thinking it might be a good afternoon, but every time I think that, then it turns out crappy. The other day when the wind was howling, I thought it was going to be a shitty morning, and I ended up seeing 13 hens and a strutter. So I ain't very good at figuring this shit out, for one thing. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna blind call a little bit and see if I can draw something down this way before the afternoon's over. Y'all stay tuned. y'all, but he's, again, way down on the opposite end of the field. You can barely see him down there. He's in behind that tree right now. Ain't been nothing on this end of the field. For some reason, it's been dead slow. Stay tuned. Still got a little time left. There's the flock I've been seeing, y'all. They're a whole field over from where they have been for some reason. I don't know why they're way down yonder. Unless I've done something to spook them, I don't know. I doubt they'll make it here before dark, but at least they're still around here. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm just checking in with you. It's been an awful slow afternoon. I'm seeing some birds, but they're all the way down there on that other end down there still. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that I can see for sure, but I haven't seen a strutter, but those binoculars are kind of weak, so it don't pick up real good. I'll turn around and show you, and then that's probably going to be a wrap because I'm about out of time. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to keep trying. Something's got to go my way eventually, I hope. We're going to Kansas for too long, so hopefully if I don't have no luck here, I can get one down there. So y'all stay tuned. I'll pan around here and let you look. There they are all down yonder. I've tried to call to them and everything else to get them to come up this way, but they just ignore me. I wish I could tell. I don't think any of them. I kind of believe they're on ends, but I can't tell for sure with these cheap binoculars. I usually don't use these for long range scouting, just kind of up close. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get off here and start getting stuff ready, and I'm gonna ease out of here in just a little bit. Y'all stay tuned. I'll check in with you on the next trip. Appreciate y'all for watching and sharing. All right, guys, got my blind down, got my chair up. That's the end of that video. As you can see, it was a pretty interesting morning. It was real windy that morning. I started not to even go, but it turned out pretty good. But I did see Strutter, but didn't get him killed. Didn't have no luck in the afternoon. They're always where I'm not. They're kicking my butt. So appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate you sharing. Tune in to the next one. Let's see if my clumsy attempt to kill one of these chickens ever pans out. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
It's a wicked addiction, but it's not bad. Don't look down on us, and don't be sad. We like to hunt in the spring and hunt in the fall. We hunt with our family and we would hunt with y'all. It's a wicked addiction. We hunt on the water, we hunt in the snow. We have a good time wherever we go. We hunt with a bow, we hunt with a gun. We never go when we don't have fun. It's a wicked addiction, yeah. Wicked addiction, that's our name. We don't hunt for the glory, we don't hunt for the fame. We hunt because of what's inside. It's a wicked addiction that we don't hide. Yeah, it's a wicked addiction. Gators, turkeys, deer, duck. We like to hunt, we don't depend on luck. We prepare, we look, we search and scout. Get our prey and there ain't no doubt. It's a wicked addiction. It's a wicked addiction.